Hello everyone. In this video we're gonna go over the different currency pairs. Forex is quoted in currency pairs. Each currency is given 3-letter codes. So here, as you see on the left hand side, you got EUR, which represents euro dollar. Okay, the next one is USD, which represent US dollar. GBP represents Britain pound. JPY is for Japanese yen. CHF is for Swiss franc. AUD, Australian dollar. CAD for Canadian dollar. And ZDs for New Zealand dollar. And here on the right hand side, these are other currency pairs. Are also called the exotic pairs. So you got SEK for Swedish Korea, DKK for Danish Korean, I can't pronounce, NOK, Nugent Korean. And you got the other ones, okay? I want you to pronounce them yourself. But so these are the exotic pairs. They're not very commonly traded, but these on the left hand side, you will see these a lot of traders trade, okay? But we're gonna go to the next slide so you can see which pairs are traded more and what pairs are not, and what they are also called. So the next one, these are the major pairs. So all these pairs are the most traded pairs in the Forex market, and they are called major pairs. So in the Forex market, you will trade, that's why they call them pairs. You trade two currencies at once. You sell one to buy the other. So they are always going to be in pairs. So in your trading platform, in your MetaTrader 4 or TradingView, you will see these pairs are quoted just like this by 3-letter codes for both. Alright. So these pairs are major pairs, and they are EUR-USD, which is for euro and US dollar. And here on the right hand side, I put the look just for fun. These are the nicknames of them. So if you want to learn the nicknames, here they are right there. Then you got USD JPY for US dollar and Japanese yen. You got Great Britain pound, US dollar, Great Britain pound and US dollar. USD CHF for US dollar, Swiss franc. AUD USD, Australian dollar, US dollar, US dollar, USD CAD is for US dollar and Canadian dollar. And the last one is NZD USD for New Zealand dollar and US dollar. Okay, so these pairs you will see more commonly traded by traders, banks, central banks, and corporations, okay? The next slide, go to the next slide here. The next slide, these are cross currencies, alright? As you notice in these pairs, you don't see the US dollar in it. So if it has the US dollar in it, it's called the major currencies, because US dollar is the most traded currency. So it's one of the major currencies. But as you notice, none of these currencies have the US dollar. So they are called cross currencies. So you have EUR CHF, which is euro US dollar. I'm sorry, euro and Swiss franc. And you got euro in Great Britain. You got euro in Canadian. You got euro in Australian. You got euro in New Zealand, and they go on and on. So just these for reminders so you know which one are which. Okay, so just to remember, if it doesn't have the US dollar in it, they are cross currencies. If they have the US dollar in it, it's a major currency. Okay? With that being said, I will see you in the next video.